The UC Davis Waterway is an iconic part of the UC Davis Arboretum and a critical component of our campus stormwater system. Prior to being sealed off from Poudre Creek in 1948, it was a rich riparian corridor, a habitat that supported more biodiversity than any other in California.
And as some may have noticed, the UC Davis Waterway is in transition as part of the multi-year Arboretum Waterway Maintenance and Enhancement Project.
Due to a lack of stream flow, high nutrient inputs, and our naturally warm, dry summers, a green layer of algae grows on the water during the hot summer months. Too much decomposing algae reduces the available oxygen in the water, disrupting the function of the ecosystem.
The enhancement project is aiming to change that by using pumps and small dams, called weirs, to move water through the waterway more like a natural stream. We're also replacing the concrete and rock-lined banks with plants to serve as natural filters.
Students in the Learning by Leading internship with the UC Davis Arboretum and Public Gardens have been a part of this solution and decided to take an additional innovative project to further improve the waterway.
With grant money received from the Green Initiative Fund, we are creating a floating island wetland.
But what exactly is a floating island?
A floating island is a temporary wetland consisting of plants that thrive in the water.
Recycled water and campus stormwater go to the waterway, but often contain high levels of nitrates and phosphates, which lead to excess algae growth. Plants in the floating island take up nutrients from the water, which means less nutrients for the algae.
In addition, the plants provide valuable wildlife habitat above and below the water.
We worked together to create a design suitable for the Arboretum.
First, we learned about floating islands and how they benefit water quality. We read research papers and determined the best materials to use. Next, we created our individual designs, discussed our designs with the group, and collaborated to refine our individual ideas into 4 group ideas. Then we presented to Arboretum staff, discussed each group design with everyone, and decided on the final design.
We plan to monitor the island to see how a larger wetland would function in the Arboretum.
Part of what we're doing is trying to figure out which plants do the best in our climate in this kind of waterway. So we'll be able to apply that into future projects here and maybe elsewhere in California.
Floating wetlands like these are simple solutions to minimizing nutrient buildup in urban spaces. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you to everyone.
Thank you to everyone that helped make this possible.